Welcome back. This is a really cool lesson because we're going to use isosceles triangle rules, triangle sum, and we can also practice our solving linear system, the skill you gain from Algebra 1. Okay, let's do this together. We get 2 red tick marks that tells us this is a isosceles triangle. If it's an isosceles triangle, it tells us base angle is gonna be congruent. If base angle is congruent, I can add this symbol here and start to write an equation. And then I'm gonna add 11 to each side. Gonna subtract 2x to each side. We're going to solve for x. X is 22. X is done. Now, I'm going to erase this part because we're using the space here. Once we find x is 22, why not we plug in to one of this? We have this one, plug into one of this to find the base angle. So 3 times 22 minus 11, that is 66 minus 11, that is 55 degrees for one of the base angle. Now remember our little story, triangle family, 3 members, they have 180 to spend. Let's see how much 2y has. 2y has this much to spend, 180 minus 2 times 55. You can also say minus 55, then minus 55. All right, so y is 180 minus 2 times 55 divided by 2. Let's solve this. Y is 35. All right, put x we solved earlier. It's here. We are done with this. Happy learning.